I am so disappointed. So disappointed in Amazon. So disappointed in the Amazon affiliate program. I don't normally do these kind of videos, but I thought I'd share this with you. Again, being fully transparent of what I do here on the RVJedeye channel. You know, one of the things that I don't know if a lot of you guys know is that a lot of YouTubers make money off of the Amazon affiliate program, you know, because we're out there, we're reviewing a lot of products, we're using a lot of products, and we share our thoughts about them. And obviously, if there's a great product we like, we want you guys to have access to it. And so we put a little link on our websites and on our videos to let you know you can go ahead and pick it up. And then, you know, if you pick it up and you use our link, we get a little percentage. I think in the 3 years that I've done YouTube, you know, I think I make maybe $50 a quarter, if that much, on the Amazon affiliate link program. But my channel is still small and growing, and you know, I suppose at one point, if I had, you know, thousands and thousands of subscribers, it would mean so much more. But you know, I just thought it was a great way for Amazon and I to work together. I liked working kind of for Amazon and sharing the links to the products that I use and have tried out, so that you guys can use them, and I thought it was a win-win situation. Well, on I think it was October 1st, I wake up and I check my emails, and there was an email from the Amazon affiliate program letting me know that they were terminating our relationship. Terminating our relationship. Now, they said because they had been monitoring it for a while, and it looked as if I was trying to order using the affiliate link, and that I had friends or family trying to buy stuff using the affiliate link to hype it up so that I would get more money. And I'm here to tell you guys that is totally not it at all. I didn't know, first of all, that there was ever an issue with what was going on. I used the affiliate link, put it on videos and on the website, and that was pretty much it. I didn't tell friends, I didn't tell family, I didn't try to scam anything, and I was really upset when I got this note from Amazon, because one, they just said you're terminated, and there was basically nothing I could do. I could file an appeal, but it was basically their decision that was it. So once I kind of gathered myself, I filed an appeal and got a couple of notes back that day, but it wasn't really clearing up anything, and they didn't seem to be interested in having a conversation or a dialogue about what was going on, because again, I didn't know that I was doing anything wrong. So I filed another appeal. I waited a couple of days, and this morning I got another note from Amazon saying that they basically had reviewed the previous note, and they believe that what was in the previous note was accurate, and they just were terminating everything. So it was really frustrating, because again, I have never tried to scam the system. You know, while it wasn't a lot of money coming in, it was some, you know, gas money, or part gas money to help with the RV. So it now looks like I have to take down all of my affiliate links on all of the videos and websites, so I'll have to kind of go through all of that. But more importantly, you know, it just kind of sours my whole thought process on the affiliate link program with Amazon. I don't know if the other affiliate link programs with other companies work the same way, but I'm a small enough fish in the sea that Amazon really doesn't have to pay much attention to me. So I don't think that they realistically care about me. The sad part about it is that when I use a product and I want to get that information out to you guys and let you know where you can get it, I will probably do the best I can to get you a direct link to the person who made the product. But realistically, the best place to get it probably is going to still be on Amazon, because the prices are cheaper, because they can get everything in bulk and just ship it out. So I am not happy. It was not what I expected at all. I thought maybe at least some way we could talk about this and figure it out. But Amazon just kind of kicked me to the curb. So I'm just really disappointed. I guess more so than anything, really disappointed. I don't know if any of this has ever happened to you guys. If it has, maybe you can share your story in the notes below. I'm going to use products. I will let you know how I got the product and where, but I no longer will have the Amazon affiliate program to work with. So, and I don't know. I'm just frustrated, I guess, more so than anything. I believe that if there's a mistake, you can figure out how to fix that, how to work with somebody who sincerely wants to, and Amazon just chose not to. So that's what's going on. Hey, you can follow me all over at RVJedeye on social media, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, have fun. If there's a good product that I like, I'm going to share it with you guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys.